Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Obviously it's Abbie again, and today is a Tuesday, so I thought I'd upload another video. But before we get into this one, make sure you subscribe and press the notification bell. So in today's video, I wanted to share my very first pixie cut. As nervous as I was, I really trekked all the way to East London, Barking specifically, to get a pixie cut because it's a hairstyle that I've wanted for such a long time. So I thought, if not now, then when? And yeah, in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing the process and the final look. I actually got my hair done at the Serenity Luxury Hair Salon. As I said before, it was over in East London, but it was worth the trek. And this was the point of no return. I knew she was gonna cut my hair, but it's like I didn't deep it. Do you get? Anyway, I'm coming like some type of scattered Barbie doll at this point. However, it does turn out looking really cute, I promise. So stay and watch all the way till the end, and if you do like the video, press the thumbs up button. And as a heads up, I was doing a lot in this video. We were just in, I was recording a video for TikTok, trying to get the angles, and also recording just for my own learning so I can emulate the style at home. And then I obviously had to FaceTime some of my people just to reintroduce myself. However, I hope you still enjoyed the video. I'm not gonna talk too much because I want you guys to relax and enjoy the process and see how she created the final look. So here I'm about to reveal the final look, guys. As strong and tough as my natural hair is, that creamy crack really did its thing, and I absolutely love my pixie cut, guys. My only regret is not going shorter. I was really trying to hold on to a bit of length with this whole side part fringe type of thing, but if you saw my last video, I have now gone shorter, and I absolutely love this look. If you've watched all the way to the end, you might as well subscribe, and you might as well press the like button below, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video.